On the link below, there is a discussion about Higgs field. And that Higgs field is giving mass to the particles. This is absolute nonsense. Mass, according to the mass energy equivalence principle, energy and mass are intrinsic properties of every elementary particles. So no field can give mass, let's say, to a proton. That's immense nonsense. We have to distinguish between rest mass and inertial mass. These are two different phenomena. The idea, the basic, the initial idea of a Higgs field was that must be some field that is giving particles inertial mass. This idea was very good because there is a field that is giving particles inertial mass. There is also a field that is giving particles gravitational mass. And this same field is giving also massive objects inertial mass and gravitational mass. And this field is a superfluid quantum vacuum. So every particle, let's take a proton. Proton is diminishing energy density of superfluid quantum vacuum exactly for the amount of its mass in its center. And that's why the energy density in the center of the proton of superfluid quantum space is smaller. And outer space with higher energy density is pressing to the center of the proton where there is lower energy density. And this is inertial mass. Inertial mass is proportional to the rest mass, but it is not the same thing. Now, proton is made out of quarks and gluons. And gluons represent 99% of a proton. And the Higgs field interacts only with quarks. So nobody ever answered how Higgs field could give mass to the 99% of the proton. So this idea of the Higgs field giving mass to the particles is an absolute nonsense. But because there was so much money invested in this nonsense, they said, okay, we have to find now something. Otherwise, people will say, you are just doing nonsense. Yeah. And the cyclotrons physics is utter nonsense. The difference distinguishing inertial mass and to rest mass. It's of immense importance in physics. So this is it. I wish everybody good day.